Today I'm making an apple dump cake using the little apples off our apple tree this summer. They may not look the best, but I promise they're going to be perfect for this. All I need to do is peel them, core them, and cut out the bad spots. Any of you are Nikki Positano fans, I'm sure you can hear her in the background, her and Carlo. And I am a very big fan as well. Hey, it looks like enough apples. I ended up getting some more. I think I have about 11 or 12 small to medium-sized apples that actually... I'm going to cover them and put them in the microwave, get them nice and soft, and show you how to make an apple dump cake. I don't know if you've ever bought these, but these are the greatest little things to put over. They have a little bit of an elastic, and I use them when I put something in the microwave or something in the refrigerator. I think 3 different sizes, and they actually work really well. I think I got these for like $1 at Dollar Tree. I'm using a Pillsbury golden butter recipe cake mix. Just dump it right in the pan. Next, take 1 stick of butter that's softened. I'm doing it the old-fashioned way. Chopping up the butter with old-fashioned masher. Made it a little bit more pliable. I'm going to get this incorporated into the cake mix. I softened the apples in the microwave for about 5 to 7 minutes and then strained them in my colander. Poured them into the bowl after the water drained off so they won't be so wet. And then I added about a 1/4 cup of sugar, about a 1/3 cup of brown sugar. I didn't really measure. I'm not really a measuring kind of girl. And then I just stirred it all together really well in the bowl until they were all coated. Then I added about 2 teaspoons of cinnamon. Again, didn't really measure. Pour that on top, sprinkle it, stir it all together and get it mixed up really well. And then just pour it right into your pre-greased baking dish. I always like to grease them with some spray. And mix it all together. And then I took my cake mix with the butter, sprinkled it all over the top. And again, I kind of like to use my hands when I do things, so I just spread it around with the tips of my fingers until the tops of the apples were covered, and into the oven it goes. I pre-warmed the oven at 350 degrees, set the timer on 40 minutes, and then just sit back and wait for those good smells to start wafting into the kitchen. I think it might be done. I decided to do a quick broil for about 2 minutes just to make sure it was nice and brown on top. Can't wait to try it. Just perfect.